Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the another session of AI Month. Today's topic is curated AI. So before we start with curated AI, we should understand what is AI. So AI, everybody we know what exactly AI is. Stands for artificial intelligence, which refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI enables computers to perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence, such as problem solving, decision making, understanding natural language, and recognize patterns in data. So next comes what do you mean if you know about artificial intelligence, then what is the difference in curated AI? So curated means the word itself means carefully. So curated AI refers to the process of carefully selecting, organizing, and presenting artificial intelligence, content, resources, or solution to meet specific needs or preferences. So the basically I'll go into the topic. I just wanted to tell you like what exactly curated AI is, like how we are implementing in our daily life in a daily basis. We are doing some shoppings in our various shopping like Amazon, Flipkart, Mintra, so many platform we are doing. So the when we are searching for a particular product, when we are searching for a particular product, accordingly we'll get the references. The way the way of research, the way of search as per our search record, automatically the system will give us the different kinds of products. So that is the work of curated AI. So according to the user's preferences, according to the user's choice, it will give automatically the prompts to the user. So that is the work of the curated AI platform. We will go into it. So the how it will work. The curated AI works in 5 stages: collection, selection, organization, validation, and delivery. So, what the collection? Collection means curated AI gives you a better result, accurate data. The main thing is it will give you highly accurate data to the user. So first it will collect the basic, like whatever the data from different sources, it will collect all the data from the different sources, and it will collect the real valid data. Then according to the user needs or user requirement, it will select into the categories. Then it has to be organized as per the user or as per the client requirements. It will organize the data. Then it will validate the authenticity of the data, how accurate the data is, how reliable the data is. It has to provide the accurate data, so it has to validate. It will validate, and it will give the delivery report to the client to make the decision at the final stage. So in this 5 stages, the curated AI works. Next, we'll go the example of curated AI platforms. So whatever the details we are using, all the companies, they are using the curated AI platform to do all the works as a human, like how we are interacting with human. So curated AI gives you the accurate data to the user. So there are so many platforms, but the common platform which I know, that is Google AI Hub, then Open AI API, and AI for Everyone by Coursera. The Google Hub, we know that Google AI Hub is a platform that hosts a wide range of AI related resources, including datasets, models, and it was developed by Google and AI community. It curates these resources to ensure they are accessible, well documented, and suitable for various AI applications. Next is Open AI API. API stands for Application Program Interface. OpenAI provides an API platform that offers access to powerful AI models for the developers and businesses to perform their task. The API is curated to provide easy integrations, documentation, and support for ethical use of AI capabilities. Basically, this curated platform provides the user to give accurate and power to make the decision very efficient way, very accurate way. The next is AI for everyone by Coursera. Coursera offers courses and specialization of AI and machine learning, including AI for everyone. The content is curated to cater and learners from diverse backgrounds, providing foundational knowledge and insights into AI concept and application, etc. So these are the base of curated AI platform. So all the companies, they are using all these curated AI platforms. Next, we will go for LLM model. When we are talking about curated AI, we cannot go beyond this LLM model because curated AI and LLM model both are interconnected. We cannot leave the LLM model when we are talking about curated AI. So LLM typically stands for large language model. These models such as GPT, everybody we are using chat GPT. So such as GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, are advanced AI systems designed to understand and generate human-like text based on vast amount of data. They have been trained on, they are capable of tasks like answering questions, generating creative writing, and providing conversational responses. These models are trained using deep learning techniques and have application across various industries, from customer service to content generation and academic research. As we know this LLM model, now we are also using. Suppose when we are asking ChatGPT some questions, whatever the questions we have, so according to our questions, as a human, they are giving the response. So these are the curated AI, including with LLM model, they are giving the responses. In real life example, if you can see, in IRCTC, we have one Disa. We can ask the question Disa for the chart. So you can communicate with the Disha as a human to human as per whatever the question you will ask. As a human only, it will respond. And we have Alexa, we have Siri in iPhone. So these kind of, they are including curated AI are combined with LLM model, they are providing all this data. So how it is interlinked with curated AI and LLM model? Curated AI and LLM model are interconnected with 5 phases: data curation, content filtering, application development, ethical consideration, and user experience. The same way, the 5 stages here also it has to cross, because we have different sources, and from different sources it has to collect a huge number of data. So from the huge number of data, it has to gather the accurate, authenticate data for the user. Then according to that high volume data, it has to filter as per the user instruction, as per the user requirement. It has to filter the data, and it should be the first focus is it has to be accurate. It has to be accurate and it has to be authenticate. Then application development. Application development, it is like machine level language, like machine learning. It is mainly used by the developers. So it will be easy for, sorry. Okay. So it will be easy for the developer to integrate their application, the machine level language, to the real life applications. Then ethical consideration. Ethical consideration, it is like it has to adhere all the rules and regulations of the privacy policy. It has to obey the rules and regulation of the privacy policy, and adhere to that, it has to provide the data. And at last, it has to give the result to the user, which has to be in a particular way, authentic and real-time, real-life data with a correct and authentic data for the user to give a decision, to make a decision. So how in this way the curated AI interconnected with LLM model to give the user in a better performance, better decision making power. So the basic concept here is the user has to give the clear and crisp instruction to the system so that accordingly it will give the result with all these parameters. Next, we'll go for the benefits of curated AI. So curated AI, as everybody knows, it saves times and efforts in searching for reliable AI information, ensure access to high quality and relevant resources, facilitates learning and knowledge acquisitions, supports informed decision making in AI project and initiative. So these are the benefits of curated AI. As we know, we have all like two phases of each and everywhere. We have two phases. One benefit if we have means there are some challenges too. So what are the challenges of curated AI? Curated AI challenges are like data quality, data volume, data privacy, then your bias and fairness, interpretability and explanatory, and technical expertise. So the first is data quality. As we know, we have lots of huge volume of data. To maintain the data quality, to maintain the to provide as per the user experience, user command or user requirement, to provide the accurate, authenticate data, to refine the data from the huge number of data, it's a challenge for curated AI. Next is volume. The volume is As the volume is too high to provide the real-time data, it is a challenge. So that is again a challenge for the curated AI. And data privacy and security, it has to adhere all the privacy policy to provide any kind of data. It has to obey all the rules and regulation of the data privacy. Next is biased and fairness. It has to give unbiased, like it should be the whatever the result it has to provide, it should be fair result. It should not be biased. Again, that will be a challenge. Then the fifth one is interpretability. Because it is a machine level language, it is difficult to understand the machine language in the it's a challenge for learning models while explaining making difficult for decision making. So that is again a challenge for the curated AI. Next is technical expertise. Technical expertise, it is difficult to achieve reliability and accuracy of machine learning in real world applications. So these are the basic challenges for curated AI, which the company should know before implementing this. And after implementing also, company will come to know these are the challenges. So accordingly, they will overcome to do better performance. So at last, not the least, with so many challenges in data quality, ethics, and integrations, curated AI offers unique potential to drive innovation and efforts across industries. By addressing these challenges, systematic organization can unlock the transformative benefits, and curated AI for fostering trust, transparency, and responsible deployment in the technological landscape. So now, even before ending my topic, I'll just explain you how curated in a daily life, what we are using, how we are using it. Suppose with Netflix, we all used to see Netflix. We used to see suppose I am seeing Hindi movies, web series, all this. So as per my choice, as per my preferences, it will give me list of the movies, a list of the web series, upcoming web series, all the details it will show me. So that is the example of curated AI. And if you what is for Netflix, their platform they are using, it is NDP, that is Netflix data platform. And for Amazon, they are using AWS platform, AWS curated AI platform, that is Amazon Web Service. And Amazon also uses the Alexa, Amazon Go. These are the curated AI platform. So these are like Netflix, Amazon, Even all different companies, they are using different kind of platforms for their better usability and better performance for the customer. That's it. Thank you.